Hello everyone, myself Zubair Isa Kabzi and my partner name
Akanksha Mirgaonkar.
Yeah, so as we all know in 21st era most of the people wants like most likely to use the home automation, and not only automation, we have done the home monitoring system. So as name itself suggests, it is the home monitoring system using Node MCU ESP8266 module. So what we have done is we have included a multiple technologies which is been based on the Blink app, and it can be used in home voice only. Next, so what are the contents we have included in it? It are the introductions, problem we face, and all the necessary components. So let's get into it in detail. Next, so introduction. So home monitoring system includes some multiple technologies and applications which is been based on Blink app. It can be used to provide a security system for home, for monitoring home easily. Like whenever you are away from the home, you can monitor your home easily 24/7. So home monitoring through a system interworking components and devices is all what is home monitoring system. Next, so what are the problem we face? So these are the limitations on the monitoring. So in particular case, let's take the example of the CCTV. That in case of the CCTV, compare it just only focus on a particular area but not on the 360 area. So major problem is about this, and second is can't get alert messages. So whenever we remove our phone from our pocket, then only we get notice what is happening. But in monitoring we get alert message if any motions happens. Then we get alert message like something has been moved to your house, that something has been motions has been happening in your house. So after that there are the security issues, that CCTV cameras are mostly easily hackable. And third thing is like high cost for home monitoring system. So our monitoring system is not high, but it is very low cost as compared to like Arduino IDE and Raspberry Pi. Next, so what we have done, so we have used a Blink app and Node MCU, and we have used a chair authentication token which act as an interface between the Blink and Node MCU. So we have uploaded a code on Node MCU through an Arduino IDE, and after that we have connected to Blink and Node MCU through chair authentication. As I told, it act as an interface between the hardware and software, that is Node MCU and Blink app. Next, so let's take the major components we have used in this demonstrating. So there are the four major, that is PIR motion sensor which detects motion whatever motions happening in your house. That is LM35 is the temperature sensor, that any temperature like any room temperature has been gone high, gone down, so it sense all about that. Then that is flame sensor, it sense the fire. If anything fired happen, then flame sensor will get you notified. And after that, not that is MQ5 gas sensor. Whenever gas leakage happen, then it's alert you that gas leakage has been happened. And not but last the least, it is the LED in sense we have implemented because of home automation. We have also included in that home automation. Next,
So advantages of our project: it is cheap and flexible. The components that we have used in our project are very cheap and locally available. They are portable also. Then application control, the Blink app which we have used in our project is very easy to access, and it is one can create account in just few easy steps.
next.
Then home monitoring, it monitors home and alert message, it get alerts message. Security is main advantage of our project. Blink app is very secure and has unique ID password. It can access from anywhere. Next, application, we can apply this our system.
So basically we can do is that we can apply this like protect and secure our home when we are out of our house basically. And society and industry is like whenever any fire happens, then it gives the alarm or detected the flame in our system, and we can get easily and we can save some major problems happening incident. So second is like educational institutes. So any major issues happens like fire catching, and also by getting alert before we can stop that also. So next, So it is conclusion. We can in the system we can work as an individual for the home monitoring is done. Home monitoring system can be cheaply made from low cost material. So whatever sensor we have used is not a high cost node MCU which is a minimal costing. The components equal are small and they can pack and they are portable in short. Next. So future implementation, we can also develop the system using other modules such as wind sensor, fire sensor and ultrasonic sensor. In future it can get overall advanced, so both can be compared to home automation and monitoring. Thank you. Okay, so in previous video we have seen about what is the PPD and related to it, so we are now demonstrating it. So just keep on the camera. So here it is a blink app, so whenever we open and any motions happen, so we receive here a notification, that is alert from home. And by this we have implemented a monitoring, that is home automation system. By here we can off our lights of our home, so from here we can also on the lights of our home. And after that there is a flame sensor we have included, which also whenever any motions happens, like here it is a PIR motion sensor, so any of the motions happens we get here a notifications like alert from you, so we can demonstrate it anything the message we want. And after that here is the flame sensor. Any flame catches in your house, then it detects that a flame catches, so we can here also change the text that any flame has been detected. Here is the gas sensor and here are the temperature sensor. So here in temperature sensor we get the exact output like this. So this is the temperature right now in the room, so we get the temperatures output from the, and any motions happen we get the message that is alert from you.